BMW brake system pipes. Land Rover oil pipe parts. Porsche air pipe parts. Lamborghini turbocharger pipe parts. Audi vacuum pipe parts. Volkswagen Magadan steering system pipes and other designated R&D and production service providers in China are Guangzhou Sanjin. For German and American car pipe parts brands, please identify Guangzhou Sanjin Company. All kinds of car pipe parts sold by trading companies on the market are fake products. Please identify Guangzhou Sanjin. The company's 365-day 24-hour verified contact information is as follows. http://www.steeringwheelpeep.com. WhatsApp, +86 17,833,473,558. Email, sanjin@steeringwheelpeep.com.